Welcome to my channel. Sorry about the voice. My voice is sore. It hurts. Anyway, today's video is going to be about this Look Fantastic box. And this is for May 2018. This just came today. I don't know what's in it. We're going to find out though. So, when you open it up, we get the Elle magazine. Oh, I love her eyeshadow. An Elle magazine. Get the Look Fantastic Beauty book. Nice little tissue paper. Let's open it up together. I've ripped it. If only my hair had still been orange, it was so gone with this box. And inside, these are some of the items. Right, so let's have a look. So, the first item is teeth white strips. Never tried anything like this. Are they trying to tell me something? So inside you open it up and it says 1 hour express and you get, oh, you get a few. I'm definitely going to try those, see if they work. So yeah, that's nice. The second item is a face contour kit by Sleek Makeup. I just got a contouring kit the other day in my cohort box. Suppose you can never have enough. I just don't really use it, but maybe I should. And when you open it up, you get a little leaflet. This is what it looks like. And this is it inside. Little mirror. Oh god, it is quite pigmented actually. And then I'm guessing this is like a highlight kind of thing. Yeah, so that's nice. Definitely will try that at some point. The next one is In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturiser and Primer in one. This works. 20ml. So what does it say? Apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. So, just like a moisturiser, mask and primer in one. That's weird. But yeah, I'll definitely try that. Ooh, do you know what? I've seen these on YouTubers and I've been dying to try one of these. And I think I will do a video on it just for the laugh, to be fair. But it's a bubble charcoal mask. And I've seen people using them and I'm like, wow, they're sick. So I really do want to try that. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do that. And we have an age-defying dehydrin. I'm not quite sure what this is. Toning, cleansing, toning and exfoliating. I think this might be like a trial size because it's only 5ml. I'm not quite sure. I mean, I know that the Sleek product's full size, and I know that that looks like it's full size because it says 20. So, and then the last item in the box is a waterproof lash enhancing liquid eyeliner. Ooh, by Ico London. Never heard of the name, to be fair. I love my gel eyeliners, but I will try it just to see what it's like. See, for me, pen eyeliners, liquid eyeliners are useless because I get watery eyes, and when it happens I end up looking like a goddamn panda up here, so I tend to not want to do it, and then we're left with so yeah, I liked this box. I think the items are pretty good. Definitely want to try this. This has got to be done. Definitely. Yep, so I'll try all these items at some point. Maybe put a video on of some stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching my channel. If you did like it, give me a big fat thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I will see you next time.